second question is that let n be a Poisson process with parameter lambda, that is the possibility of n, which is the number of random points arrive in t1, t2 equals to 0, the possibility of which equals to e to the minus lambda times t2 minus t1 times lambda times t2 minus t1 to the k over the factorial number of k, and the xt equals to 1 if n is odd in 0 and t, and minus 1 if n is even in 0 and t. The question A is to find the possibility of xt equals to 1. First, we can use the Taylor formula to make the e to the lambda t equals to 1 plus lambda t plus lambda t to the 2 over 2 factorial number of 2 plus blah blah blah, and the e to the minus lambda t equals to 1 minus lambda t plus lambda t to the 2 over 2, the factorial number of 2 minus lambda t to the 3 over factorial number of 3. And formula 1, formula 2, we can get another kind of answer. Use 1 minus 2. We can get when k is equal to even number, odd number, the sum of the possibility. And when we add the two formula together, we can get the sum of the probability when k is even. So back to the problem A. This is the probability, and we can use the answer we found previously, which is this part, and we can get the final answer. It is 1 plus e to the minus 2 lambda t over 2. And question B is to find the expected value. Is there only two probability when xt equals to 1 and xt equals to minus 1, so we just add them together. The probability of xt equals to 1 is use the same method to get the answer, which is applied in question A. So the final answer is minus e to the minus 2 lambda t. And the question C is to find the R of T1, T2. There also are two possibilities. The first one is xt1 times xt2 equals to 1, and xt1 times xt2 equals to minus 1. So we just add them, put the possibility and the value times value together. So we can get the answer e to the minus 2 lambda t2 minus t1 if we assume t2 is larger than t1. So the actual answer is e to the minus 2 times lambda times the absolute value of t1 minus t2. So it is, of course, the WSS. since the value of r is decided by the difference between T2 and T1.